Welcome to My Student Support System. In today's class, we will discuss a procedure oral rehydration solution preparation. This lecture is in English, and if you want to study in Hindi, just click on I button and you will get link of Hindi lecture, or you can directly visit to channel My Student Support System. What is this procedure? Let us check. Normally, in practical examination, we get a procedure ORS preparation by WHO recommended packet, or sometime only ORS preparation at home by salt and sugar. So these two procedures we can get at same time, or any one of these procedures we can get. These procedures are to be done under the practical examination of child health nursing, or as well as in the community health nursing. Let us start. First of all, we prepare the article tray. We prepare articles depending upon our procedures question. If it is by WHO recommended packet method, then the procedure tray should contain one ORS packet, water container, a measuring jug, mixing jug, teaspoon, tablespoon, and a bowl. Explain the procedure to the parents and also explain the benefits of ORS in dehydration due to diarrhea, and also explain the steps properly so that he or she can prepare ORS when they are at home. Now we start the steps of procedure. Arrange all articles and ORS packet on the table. Measure the water with the help of a measuring jug. Pour 100,000 ml of water, means 1 liter of water, in the mixing jug after measuring, and now cut open the ORS packet and put the all contents of the packet into the mixing jug. Now stir well with the help of a tablespoon to mix ORS. Now the ORS, or oral rehydration solution, is ready for use. For small children, we can use spoon and small bowl to give the ORS, and for older children, we can give uh, by glass. This procedure can be understood well by this video.
Hello friends, now we will see how to prepare WHO recommended ORS with this packet. Okay, what articles we will need? Just we will see. First of all, one WHO recommended ORS packet we can get from dispensary. Then water, this simple drinkable water we can take. Then one jug where we will mix the ORS, and one measuring jug, because it is very essential to measure 1 liter of water. So, the concentration is well maintained. Now, we will see other articles. 1 tablespoon to mix, 1 teaspoon and a small bowl to give ORS to the child, and we can take a glass for adult. Okay, let us start the procedure. First of all, we will take the ORS packet, we will check the expiry date. One packet is used for 1 liter of water. Now we will take water 1 liter. First we will measure it. It should be exact 1 liter. Okay. We will put in the measuring jar. We will see where is the 1 liter mark. It is here, and now we will pour the water. So exact 1 liter water we will take. This measurement is very essential because the concentration of ORS should be exact. So here it is 1 liter perfect water. Now we will take it in the jug where we will mix the ORS. So, we are putting it in the jug, and now we will cut the packet, and whole contents of the packet we will put in the jug. Okay. So, it is exact measurement. So, you need not to measure this oral rehydration salt. Now, we will mix it. So, using a tablespoon we will mix thoroughly, we will mix, and now we will see that all the contents are mixed well. Yes, and now it is ready to serve. So, we will use it for the children. We will use this small bowl and a teaspoon, or for adult we can give directly in the glass. We should cover the jug, and we can use for one whole day, and we will 24 hours we will use it.
Now, if the question arises that prepare homemade ORS, then the article tray will contain salt in a small bowl, sugar in a small bowl, then water container, measuring jug, mixing jug, teaspoon, tablespoon and bowl. Preparation of parents. Explain the benefits of homemade ORS in dehydration. If ORS packet is not available due to unavailability in the diarrhea patient or the diarrhea children, then we should explain the parents properly how to make ORS at home so that they can prepare ORS without any confusion. Arrange all utensils on the table. Measure the water with the help of measuring jug, and again it should be 1 liter. So 100 ml water in the mixing jug we will pour, and then take 6 level teaspoon of sugar and half level of teaspoon of salt and put in the mixing jug. Stir well with the help of tablespoon in to mix the ORS. Now the oral rehydration solution is ready for use. This is the simplest method to make ORS. The small children, we can use the spoon and bowl to give ORS to them after each diarrhea. This procedure can be understood well by this video.
Good morning friends, today we will discuss how to make ORS at home. It is very simple. Let us start. What are the articles? First we will see. We will take water, that is drinkable water, or you can boil or cool it, otherwise drinkable water you can take. Then a measuring mug or glass you should take, because you have to take 1 liter water, and then another jug or pot where we will mix the ORS, and we will take salt, and then we will also take in a bowl sugar. Okay, the sugar may be this simple one, or it is grinded. Okay, then 1 tablespoon to mix, and 1 teaspoon and a small bowl for ORS to serve. Let us start the procedure. Okay, first we will take water, and we should measure it. It should be 1000 ml or 1 liter. Okay, because this measurement is very essential. Okay, we will take 1000 ml or 1 liter water. We will measure it because its concentration is very important. So, we will take exact 1 liter water. Okay, so it is 1 liter, and now we will add in the jug, and then we will add the salt and sugar. How we will measure the, we will see. First we will take, as we have seen previously that we have to take 6 level teaspoon of sugar. So, how we will level it? Like this, okay, and we will put, this is first, this is second, this is third one, this is fourth one, this is fifth one, and this is 6 level teaspoon of sugar. Now, we will take salt, and we will take half level teaspoon salt, and we will add it. Now, we will mix it, okay. So, we are mixing it and it will make a good ORS, okay. It will be a household material used and ORS is prepared. It is mixed well and we can serve for a child. We can use spoon and bowl. Now, we should keep it covered always for 24 hours, okay. We can.
Thank you students for watching this video. You can like Facebook page and subscribe the channel so that you can get notification of latest updates. And you can visit Blogger to make your notes. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram and join Facebook group Nursing Notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.